Welcome to another video of WINAT Engineering. In this video we are going to discuss about an introduction to the design of electrical installations. Let's go. Electrical equipment that has been properly designed, constructed, installed and maintained does not present a risk of electric shock or burn injury when properly used. The general requirement for the design and construction of electrical equipment is that it is suitable for its intended use and the environment in which it is to be used. Let's initiate the design process. Design is a structural process and several steps interconnecting each other. In general, a design will be started from the preparation of design brief, or basis of design. What is design brief? Design brief is a document which describes the work to be carried out, requirement of the client and overall objectives. Through this, designers will gather all design information. Preparation of design brief is a joint effort of the designer and the client. Now let's discuss about the contents in design brief. The design brief should contain following details. Number 1. Occupancy details of building. Number 2. Plant and machinery details in building. Number 3. Environmental performance and control criteria. Number 4. Details of electrical services. Number 5. Project cost details. For an example, in occupancy details of a building it contains number of workstation, if it is an office. Number of beds, if it is a hospital. Number of machines, if it is a factory. Number of rooms, if it is a hotel. In details of plants and machineries in the building contain details of kitchen and loads, details of computers, printers, etc. Capacity of air conditioning equipment such as chillers, pumps, cooling towers, etc. Capacity of elevators and escalators. An environmental performance and control criteria contains noise level of generators, method of emission of generators, distance to the overhead electrical lines, as well as in details of electrical services contain type of light fitting proposed for different areas and locations, description of the power distribution system and location of distribution boards. In the next we are going to discuss the steps of design brief. You can understand the steps easily by this flow chart. Brief begins. Clarification or outstanding form. Test assumption. Advice client of assumption made. Record assumption. Brief end. The next one is detailed development process. Design brief. Planning. Has the design brief changed? If yes, review the planning. If no, start detailed design. And now we are going to discuss about the inputs and raw things required for the detailed design. Number 1. Design requirement. We can find the client's design requirements from the design brief. Number 2. Specific standards, regulations from the authorities, such as Power Supply Authority, Fire Department, Environmental Authority. Number 3. Design standards, regulations. Number 4. Previous design records, in similar designs if available. Number 5. Architectural and structural details. Generally got it from architectural and structural details from drawings. Details design process. First determine the final earthing details, and then prepare final single line diagrams and schematics. Record earthing details and results end of design process. Now we are at the final chapter of this video. And the final one is standard used in electrical design. First of all, what is standard? Why we use it? Standards are published documents that establish specifications and procedures for designer to ensure the reliability of the design. And by establishing consistent protocols that can be universally understood and adopted. Following applicable standards, regulations are adopted mostly in electrical design, i.e. wiring regulations, British standards, International Electromechanical Commission standards, National Electrical Code, National Electrical Manufacturers Association, IEEE standards, National Fire Protection Association. We have now come to the end of the video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please subscribe for upcoming videos.